Abusia Sabria me no kasai se ukopiem ewo the camp of Criss Waddle abusia, one of the muggles in the Ghana music industry and then in the Ghana entertainment industry abusia. Wa tweet something on a Twitter page to abusia or can send be afi e dia fa E-Levy sensemi and his excellency John the money mama enche bia no be scrappy E-Levy any the betting tax and all the taxes and network system was scrapping in every abusia. Wa bet tweeting send be e dia fa ho e X I ne medini na besom na nso Albert I friend Bongo ideas on sabe kasafa Black Sheriff ni album no abusia. This album is one of the biggest album in the country and in the continent right now. I no doubt say they will be an for baby Africa and the trending album right now. Now make sure say any day dikanya subscribe to this platform we YouTube no follow on Facebook at Selif Abdul na for TikTok so Kama Studio say be my kama. Afi my info more and something na abusia and something very simple. Let's start with Criss Waddle and somebody to be concerning the betting tax and then all the taxes are. His Excellency Educal Parliament now omotimi pass here from Parliament now or then sing nature we say so I was scribing in a seven be trendy.
This is the Electronic Transfer Levy Repeal Bill. That's the famous E-Levy bill. Giving assent to the repeal of the famous E-Levy bill to remove withholding tax on winnings from lottery, betting, and games of chance. This is the famous betting tax. So I'll assent to it, 2nd April. Betting tax is gone.
Now, what 20 something our ex no solution. Name some okay in a simple. Was say at this point, those that constantly claim they didn't want the E-Levy to be scrapped can contact the MTN office to continue paying for it out of love. This government has done his part by listening to the cry of the majority of Ghanaians. Name some no enyina abushan very simple. Was say His Excellency scrapping the E-Levy and all the taxes away or mine muno. And the baby na emfoaso almost there be a boy mine utia and impuntu neighbor because he can I don't need the mine ye. So watch us here. The former government says he not they produce the free education and one be no sandy ye agenda 111 district 1 factory in the come home. The policies be brought by in Abusia. E-Levy ni betting tax and all the taxes are on the buy no. I know and not on the development where this country. Na nipa bebre na si da bi omutwem no emwa government nyes kan fanye mutodwuma fa mo man no Criss Waddle kire mu a mokeka sansem no nyina no mo pese mutua se mo fili se mo pese o man no tumpon mo pese se de mo ka se o da bi E-Levy no abusua any betting tax no da bi ebo man no nti minya yank omutwem frame TM4 any all the telcos na afi ani omutwem komo se wo de o do man no chen Ghana ni bia inti o de opose wutua betting tax eno no out of love your do na wode ye enye nhye so enye aban bi na hyew nemum aban ne de why na afa mu de wati Ghana first one no musu say ye pa ocho madi 1 billion government at me 10,000 aden me de misi ekoto me bet account mu me ye withdraw man twa bet kra me ye withdraw ya teme 10% abusua government wati Ghana first ade a His Excellency na do dan kwakofa do ye ya na haga na fo bebre no ono de otiga na fosun enti oni obi any problem opese wutua for do frame TM4 ni Vodafone etetigo ne from one glue na kachem so we opese wutua opa o man ni ye tu de opese wutua enti wo sani sky enti o E-Levy ni na sefo se wati ase Criss Waddle ono so na fo de na fa bongo ideas abusia ne de o de bae no Black Sheriff Iron Boy album na trendy the whole Africa eno na album ay trendy sisi yi kofo bebre na release album na so Black Sheriff any Empire Music ade omo ye no abusua ebro adwene ntase so it is very mind busting. Now 15 tracks on the album Iron Boy. Now the one that people are listening to right now where them boys because the whole the song muchemu a Stone Boy wom Kwesiata wom Chatawale wom and probably na kaka ho ai where them boys want to feed team boys the boys ni na ka ho Albert I friend Bongo ideas papa social media critics ko Twitter no so ni any important mu ade awaje wafa so and you become one same poto no could baby. Obeto bibia fa eye Black Sheriff ni album no. Fi say album no trendy Ghana for bibi wow just we release nyum last week e baby ade onyum no akoto bush. Black Sheriff take it from 1 to the first spot to 15th. Then nyum no guso sa because album no 15 tracks Ghana for je we bia nyum tie na Black Sheriff no 80. Abet say there be the Ghana for ye no onyum nya adwen. Then someone was about to Twitter page no so they was very simple. Say I will choose or say Chrome Sikanis nonsense over any track on Black Sheriff album. Solo artists going all out. I mean, can be maybe I want to or say I will choose Osei Chrome Sikanis nonsense over any track on Black Sheriff album. Solo artists going all out. Now, in Chemuni and or say or not dear. Obe choose a year Osei Chrome Sikani nyoma watu ne di nonsense. Aye. Over a new be a Black Sheriff ni album no so bia Iron Boy album a new be a wo so bia no enye ne de wotie ni nyina na so enye ne de ai enye ne de kra ni album no de e trash che say adwuma wo so bia no feel na nyoma yeto ne di nonsense awusia so we choose nonsense over victory, we choose nonsense over sacrifice, we choose nonsense over rebel music, we choose nonsense over Somobi, we choose nonsense over January 9th. We choose nonsense over where them boys are. Na just say, nyom na yato di nonsense na nkasa kwa atemdi di dada. Nenso also we choose that song over any song or any track on Black Sheriff album. Na ara wo seme wo muni. Wasi artists a omunye under the record label, omunkwa na na se bo mu omo na bo mu ka na ma record mu studio na ma ye mastering na producer na bibia kama kuma na fe ono a post on social media platform any streaming platforms ni na so no omo kon all out. Blacko dey we under Empire Music into all the distribution no na ye dey say what na say ayonwum no wahye label no be ebe project work na mana ko ba bia enu nti na Black Sheriff album na ye trend sa no ono mom dey da bi on can say just say any enyum no enyum bi o track no so bi anya ne de wadwen tire wo bongo ideas ne nsem no no say or ye internet critics ye international kan obi ho asem o Twitter ho na somebody kan kada say Twitter ho de wonye be ma ye nko because ho de ye ho hyepa ho ene yetimi ka obi ho asem na e wo se kofa awuduru ne no because ibiti manya botra horo kama unwie no na chese asem ya kan fa ho no kura wuni ho hwe ne mum ho asem ne ye twero no se wache ase aha ena mede bo besi ne bongo ideas ena ode sema to dwa over eye Black Sheriff ni Iron Boy album no afei Criss Waddle sabe kasafa E-Levy ni betting tax any other taxes are his excellency etimi subscribe here no mo to the comment section na say na afei share videos more adofo na bibia so ntimi hu de koso ma yibo hi come to say medical can first no subscribe to this platform so there be any update bia no sabeka all the social media handles at Salif Abdul on Facebook on Salif Abdul there can be a come studios